Hello, ma'am. Hello. You're looking so beautiful.
Oh, thanks. I don't feel it. I feel a little maybe under the weather, but I appreciate that.
Thank you so much.
Mhm.
Um, I'm just thinking about should I start presentation or should I start to just look at
Sure,
you?
sure, yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Bitti derken her şeyinden gitti derken.
yeah, you can get started whenever you want.
Actually, really, you're so beautiful.
Oh, appreciate you.
Okay. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. Where are you from?
I am from Texas.
Texas. Oh, that's great. Okay, so can I start my presentation?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, at first, thank you so much for joining with us. And in here, you can
Mhm.
see in here two-person without you, me and Sakib Hassan. My name is Rifat Shorkar. My name is Rifat Shorkar and Sakib Hassan. Actually, he is reach out to you and he will working with you. And I am his team member and agency owner also. And we have big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, and we are providing digital marketing all type of services. So this purpose, today's meeting topic is about your YouTube channel. You know you have a great YouTube channel and you want to get more views, get more traffic in your channel. Am I right?
Yeah, organically. I
Yes,
don't
yes,
want
of
bots
course,
and
organically. Yeah.
yeah.
So for organic work, we have three type of services available. First one is SEO. As you know, SEO means search engine optimization. And in this session, for first, we have to research your niche related based keyword. That means which keyword your audience search on YouTube oftenly. And these keywords will be high volume. Okay, and then we have to research for you low competitive keyword. We have to find out this type of keyword, and then when we find out this type of keyword, and we have to input and include these your videos backend section, like your videos title, description, and text section. And also we have to optimize your videos. Okay, and also we have another method that's called organic promotion work. And in this session, we have to just simply copy your videos link, and we have to share by using social media site. We have a lots of social media site like Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Tumblr, Reddit. So we can just share your videos link by to a lot of audience. Okay, and also we have another and last method that's called Google Ads and paid campaign. And in this session, if you have money, then you can choose the Google Ads paid campaign. But right now, and for fast, as you know, and we recommend you can choose the organic work, SEO work, because it's organic and very powerful. So right now, can I share my screen to show you our agency, our previous work, and their result?
Hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna share my
Hmm.
screen. In here, I think you can see, sorry, my computer, freelancingschoolbd.com. It's our domain name and it's our website. And in here, the smiley man, it's me. Okay, and if you click on our portfolio section, then you can see we have done a lot of work. You can see YouTube SEO before and after screenshot, and the before SEO score providing vidIQ, the YouTube certified tool, and after issue vidIQ score is 100 out of 100. So you can check it out by your own, and you can click on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Google Ads, social media management. We are working by big team. So you can click on our team section. In here, you can see our full team, and you can click on our client meeting section. Then you can see we have a lot of client meeting we already done. So after finish our meeting, my boy will send you all of the link and information, then you can check it out by your own. So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, then you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
Um, yeah, I just feel like I'm kind of coming from like I had someone that was helping me a little bit, and it felt like some of the comments were either bots or it shifted a big percentage of the views to be Bangladesh. And well, I want people from all over the world, but I think primarily I want like that North American audience and scattered, Europe, all those things. And so I'm a little timid to just move forward with just anyone. So I'm curious, like, yeah, I guess I need to see more of your work or what the plan is. before I just go all in, you know? I don't know if I have a question per se. It's just like that's one of my hesitations or reserves. Like, are you able to focus on certain countries, or because of where the SEO is done, does that have a proclivity towards that country?
Yes, yes, of course, it's possible. We can provide you traffic from your countries like Europe and United States, so it's possible. But for that, we have to research keyword perfectly. Okay, so when we successfully input this type of keyword in Bureau's backend section, then of course it's possible. Yes.
I guess just send me like what the information and then I'll review it. I don't really know what else where else to go from here.
You know, we have already done a lots of project from there. I mean, your countries, and you know, we are freelancer and we are working over the world client, and mainly our target country is US, UK, Canada. So actually, I think you don't know about us a little bit more, but we actually know about your countries and about your beautiful people. So and we have already done a lots of project from your country, so we know actually.
Yeah, yeah. No, I mean, I'm not saying that you don't know about us. I'm just saying that like for my content, it's sensitive. And so I know in certain parts of the world it's not as receptive. So I don't know after I hired someone before and then it skewed to more views there, I'm like, I don't know what's going on. It didn't seem to fit the content. The audience didn't seem to fit the content. And so yeah, I kind of want to just like end this now. And if you can just send me the information and I can just review it because I'm not feeling the best, like overall, and
Yes,
I
yes,
want to
of course.
conserve my energy.
Yes, I understand your specific your content is specific for our audience, right? So
Mhm.
we can just optimize your content for this specific audience, so they will find your videos. Of course it's possible because we have done this type of many work, and after finish our meeting, my boy will send you the information, our website, etc.
Yeah,
Then you can check it out by your own. So
cool.
after that you can take a decision. So right now, can I explain our packages, our budget, etc.?
I don't really have the energetic capacity to do so right now, and I'm having a hard time understanding just point blank. So, I'm just a little low energy, and I just want to end this. I don't feel good right now, and I would like my no to be honored. So, just send anything you have over that I can review, like from a distance, and then maybe we can set something up later.
Okay, okay.